Hello guys, welcome back to my channel again. Today's video is topic about how to private your Twitter account. Many of us want to private Twitter account because of some family member and others issue. So if you are looking for this topic, then this video is for you. Don't skip any single second from this video. So let's get started with the video. Go to Twitter apps. After then, you need to click on a profile icon. Then go to profile option or settings and privacy option. Then you will see privacy and safety option. Then click on privacy and safety option. Then you will see protect your tweets and check mark on this. Then your account will be private on the Twitter. Then you need to back your home page and go to profile again. Then after coming to profile, then refresh it and you'll see lock icon option. That means your Twitter account is now locked. So I think you guys understand our video. If you enjoy our video, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.